Honor Magic 4 and Magic 4 Pro specifications leaked before the official announcement. A couple of weeks ago, detailed spec sheets of the upcoming Honor Magic 4 series smartphones were leaked, giving us an idea of what to expect on the February 28 launch event. Now, details about the Honor Magic 4 and Magic 4 Pro have leaked once again through a MySmartPrice report in collaboration with tipster Ishan Agarwal. Honor Magic 4 Pro specs and features. According to the tipster, the Honor Magic 4 Pro will come with a 6.81-inch OLED Full HD Plus display with an in-display fingerprint scanner and support for 3D face unlock. The device will rock the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. For photography, the premium smartphone is said to have a 50MP f/1.8 main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera with f/2.2 aperture, and a 64MP telephoto lens with f/3.5 optical image stabilization, and up to 100x periscope zoom. On the front, it'll offer a 12MP ultra-wide camera with an f/2.4 aperture. The phone will house a 4600 mAh battery with support for 100W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. On the software front, the handset will run on Magic UI 6.0 based on Android 12. Other features include support for DTS, X ultrasound, 215 gram, and 163.6 x 74.7 x 9.15 mm dimension. Honor Magic 4 specs and features. The vanilla variant will also have a 6.81-inch OLED Full HD Plus screen and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC under the hood. The camera setup on the Honor Magic 4 is said to consist of a 50MP main, f/1.8, 50MP ultra-wide, f/2.2, and an 8MP telephoto lens with f/3.4 OIS, and up to 50x zoom. For selfies, we get a 12MP snapper which will likely have an ultra-wide lens. The vanilla Magic 4 gets a larger 4800 mAh battery, however, it will only support 66W fast charging. Other features include Magic UI 6.0 based on Android 12, DTS, X ultrasound, 200 gram weight, and 163.6 x 74.5 x 8.8 mm dimension. No news about the RAM and storage capacities of the Honor Magic 4 Pro have appeared yet, however. A previous leak has revealed that the phones will come with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. From the spec sheet, we know that the devices will debut in the premium segment, therefore, we can expect them to come with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. With the launch just around the corner, we are sure to get more info on the upcoming Honor Magic 4 series, so stay tuned.